Hey guys, this is Stefan from Pitaka, the social media guy. Today I'm gonna introduce our air case. I think some of you must be familiar with this case because it is the thinnest case we built ever in this year. And others must be curious about the radius of our air case. So I'm gonna tell you our air case is only 10 grams. But I think most of you doesn't have any idea about 10 grams. So next, I'm going to do a simple test to show how light of our air case. As you can see, this is a A3 paper. A3 paper. And as you can see, our air case is almost as thin as the paper. And then, as you can see the scale in front of me, and I wanted to use it to show you how the lighter of the air case. So you guys, are you ready for the miracle? I'm going to play a magic. A3 paper, air case. As you guys can see, the A3 paper is heavier than our air case. You must be curious, do you have any tricks in the scales? Okay, let me switch the place to do the same test again. Air case, A3 paper. From this result, we can see our air case is lighter than the A3 paper. So, 10 grams phone case is even lighter than a paper. And also the air case is made of the 600 aramid fiber. And you can also feel the baby skin on it. So if you're looking for lightest phone cases, I think air case must be your best choices.